The Google Pixel 10 Pro has some amazing AI features that can make your everyday a lot easier, and some new camera tech that's really impressive too. So let's see what it can do. This comes with Gemini Live, which is the closest you can get to a proper conversation with AI. You can even show it what you're looking at in real time. Just point the camera at whatever you've got in front of you and ask Gemini for more information. How do I make a double espresso with this machine? And it can even help you out when you're struggling to make a decision on something. Is this dress a good choice for a wedding in Italy? This has a really impressive zoom. The 48 megapixel telephoto camera has an upgraded 5 times telephoto lens, and this houses the longest and best zoom quality ever on Pixel. The 100 times ProRes zoom lets you get really close to the action, making it perfect for concert pics when you're right at the back of the crowd, and your pictures will look sharp too with 10 times optical image quality. Plus, the Pixel 10 Pro gives you on-screen suggestions as you're taking your photo, so you'll always get the best angles and framing. For example, here it suggests that I move my framing slightly to get a better view of the subject. Now, this is something really clever. Magic Q uses context to give you the information you need when you need it, and you don't even have to ask. For example, if my friend asks for details for our dinner reservation, but I can't remember them myself, the Pixel 10 Pro will pull the info from my calendar and show it to me in the messaging app. And if they ask me for a specific photo from a night out, it can find it for me too. If you'd like to find out more info about the Google Pixel 10 Pro, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.